A very good morning to all of you. Up to now, we have solved the problems in exercise 6b in the exponents and powers of powers chapter. Now we are going to learn the new concept, which is expressing the large numbers in standard form. Expressing the large numbers in the standard form. So the main concept of this exponents chapter is nothing but to convert the given large numbers in a shorter form, and that to be in a standard form also. There is a procedure to write the given large numbers in a standard form. You have to use some definition. There is a definition also for the standard form of the large numbers. Okay, if you observe this, the distance between the moon and our planet Earth is 384 millions is there. Okay, 384 million miles is there. So this is a very large number. We can convert this large number in a standard form, which is in the short form also. Okay, we will learn that later. So, and it is a huge number. Similarly, the measure of radius of the helium atom is 0.8 zeros followed by 11 millimeters. Just it is a very small value. Okay, millimeters means, but it is a very large number also. Okay, so to convert this type of number in a short form also, we will use the standard forms. Okay, to make this type of numbers as simpler to read, we use the concept of exponents and powers. Okay, here also we will use the concept of exponents and powers to make this type of numbers as simpler. Okay, so if you observe this 384 millions, you can write it as how can you write this in a normal form? 384, after that how many zeros are there here? 6 zeros. So generally you can write it as 384 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. Also you can write, but this is not a standard form. This is not following the standard form rules. Okay, even though this is equivalent to this number, this is not a standard form. Okay, so and if you write this number, how can you write this number in the form of exponential form? See, after point, how many zeros are there? 8 zeros, and then 2 digits, 10 digits are there. So to write this number in a form of fraction, this decimal number you can write in the form of a fraction. So 11 by 1 followed by 8 plus 2, 10 zeros you can write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. So to simplify this, how can you write this number? This you can write 11 by 10 to the power of 10. Isn't it? This number simply you can write in the form of exponential form, which is 11 by 10 to the power of 10. And you know that to send this denominator number to the numerator, we applied the inverse concept. Okay, so this you can write 11 into 10 to the power of minus 10. To write this number to the from the denominator to the numerator, change the sign of the power. Already I explained you this. 8 to the power of 1 by 8 to the power of m. How can you write this? 8 to the power of minus m. Okay, to send this denominator number to the numerator, we are converting the sign of the power and writing it like this, 8 to the power of minus 1. That's why this 10 to the power of 10 became as 10 to the power into 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay, now both the numbers are in the numerator only. Okay, now this number is also not in a standard form. Even though it is written in the form of a shorter form, this is only a short form only. This is also a short form only, but this is not in a standard form. So you have to use the definition of the standard form. I will tell you what is the definition now. Listen here. So expressing large numbers in standard form by using this following rule. which is definition also. A given number is said to be in standard form if it can be expressed as k into 10 to the power of n form. That number should be written in a form of k into 10 to the power of n. Almost all we are writing like this only. And one more rule, important rule is where k is a real number such that k should be in between 1 and 10. 1 is less than or equal to k is less than 10 means what is the meaning of this? That k value should be in between 1 and 10 only, and may be equal to 1 also, but should be less than 10, not equal to 10. Here less than 10 only. Here 1 is less than or equal to k means that k value may be equal to 1 also, and from 1 to 10 it should be there, but should not be equal to 10. Less than 10 it should be. Okay, that k value should be in between 1 and 10 and may be equal to 1 also, and n is a positive number. This n should be a positive number only. This n should be a positive number. Like that you have to convert the given number. Like that you have to convert the given number to write the given number in a standard form. To write the given number in a standard form. Okay, if you take the examples of this one. So first one, express each of the following in standard form. How to write this in a standard form here? This 34 lakhs. Okay, this 34 lakhs. How can you write this in a standard form? It should be, this number should be in the form of k into 10 to the power of n, and k should be which is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Okay, how to write this? See here from the right, how many zeros are there here? 5 zeros are there here, and remaining all the significant numbers. There are numbers except zeros. How many numbers are there here? 3 and 4 are there here. From the left side, leave one digit and put a point here. Okay, this is the procedure. Listen carefully. From the left side, leave one digit. This 3 you have to leave. Put a point after one digit, and after that, how many significant digits are there except zeros? You see. Except zeros, how many significant numbers are there? Means that number may be from 1 to 9 should be there. It should not be equal to 0. Except zeros, only one digit is there. That you have to write here. 3.4 into 3.4 into. Now after putting the point here, how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So this 6 you have to take as the power of 10 here. This 10 power n you have to write. That's why this 6 digits, number of digits 6 are there here. After putting the point here, after putting the point, leaving one digit from the left side, number of digits are 6 here. So you should write that 6 as the power of 10 here. So now it is 3.4 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, this is the standard form. Now observe here, this k value is it less than 10 or not, and greater than 1? So this is satisfying, and 10 in 10 to the power of 6, this n is a positive number. Okay, this is also satisfying. So now take the second number, 56 millions. Millions means 6 zeros will be there. Okay, now after leaving one digit, put a point here. How many significant digits are there except 0? Leave all zeros. 6 is there here. So 5.6 into. After putting the point here, after the point, how many number of digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After putting the point here, 7 digits are there. So you have to write 7 as the power of 10 here. 10 to the power of 7. Here 6 digits are there after putting the point. So you are writing 10 to the power of 6. Here after putting the point, 7 digits are there. You have to write 7 as the power, 10 to the power of 7. Now this is the standard form of this 56 millions. 5.6 into 10 to the power of 7. Observe here, this 5.6 is also greater than 1 and less than 10, and this is having the power of positive number 10 to the power of 7. Next, here after 7 put a point here. After putting the point, 8 and 9 2 digits are there except zeros. 8 and 9 2 digits are there, you write this here. So after putting the point, how many digits are there here including 8 and 9? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 you have to take the power of the 10 to the power of 9. So 7.89 into 10 to the power of 9. The 7.89 is also is less than 10 and greater than 1. It should be in between 1 and 10, maybe equal to 1 also. Okay, so this also satisfying the rule of the standard form. So like this, by using these rules, we have to find out the standard form of the given number. How to find out the standard form of the given number. Okay, next, convert the following into usual form of the numeral. Here the numbers are given in the standard form. You have to convert reversely in the usual form, normal form. How to convert this? This is very easy. So first one is 1.5 into 10 cube. 1.5 into 10 cube, how can you convert this? First you remove this point. You know how to write the decimal point in the form of a fraction. By removing this and write 10 here. After the decimal point, one digit is there, you can write 15 by 10 you can write. This is 10 cube. Okay, 10 cube. 10 cube means this is 1000. So by dividing this, you will get 100 times you can divide. So 10 square. So 15 into 10 square means 15 into 100, which is 1500 you will get. Okay, 1500. 10 cube means what here? 10 into 10 into 10, 3 times. 1 10 gets cancelled, 2 10s will be there, 10 square. And 10s are 100. So 15 hundreds are 1500. Next, 4 into 10 to the power of 0. So here anything to the power of 0 is 1. 4 ones are 4 only. Okay. If single digit is there, you can write it as in a standard form like this. 4 into 10 to the power of 10. If 9 is there, 9 into the power of 0, like that. Next, 3.75 into 10 to the power of 6. 3.75, how can you write in the form of fraction? 375 by 1 followed by 2 zeros, because after 2 digits point is there here. So remove the point and write 100 here into 10 to the power of 6 means 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay, 10 to the power. Here like 10 cube means 1000. So cancel 2 zeros here. How many zeros are remaining? 4 zeros. Simply write 3750000. So 37 lakhs 50,000. So 37 lakh 50,000 is the answer. Next, 0.5 into 10 to the power of 4. How can you write this? 0.5 means 5 by 10. 10 to the power of 4 means 10,000. Cancel 0 here. You will get 5 into 1000, 5,000. This is the usual form. So you have to learn to convert this usual form into standard form and standard form into usual form. Both conversions you have to learn. Okay. So now exercise 6C. Convert the following into standard form. A very big number is given. Mass of the earth is this much of kgs is there. So how many zeros are there here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 zeros. 22, 23, 24 up to here. Okay. So first put the point after 5. Okay. Here you have to put the point. After putting the point up to here, 24 digits are there. So simply you can write 5.976 up to 6 you have to take. Significant numbers you have to take except zeros after putting the points. So 5.976 into 10 to the power of 24 up to here. After putting the point here, up to here you have to count. Okay, how many digits are there? 24 digits. So that 24 you have to write as the power, and after putting the point, how many digits are there except 0, those all numbers you have to write here, 976. If you observe the second problem, you can understand this concept. So here, after putting the point after first digit, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power of 8 you are writing. But here, up to the end of the digit, all are significant numbers only. There is no zeros is there. So you have to write all the numbers. So 2.99792458 into 10 to the power of 8. Since there are no zeros, you have to take all the significant numbers and then you have to write to 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Why you are writing 8 here? After putting the point, 8 digits are there here. So then 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So this is the standard form. This is speed of light in vacuum. Okay. So number of seconds in a day is 86,400. How can I write this? Put a point after 8. 86,400. Put a point after 8. Okay. After putting the point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to here you take 8.64, 6 significant digits, into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power of 4. So this is the answer. The distance of Pluto from Sun is these many miles. So put a point after first digit. 3.6701. Even though in the middle 0 is there, you have to take up to here. 3.6701 into up to here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the point, 9 digits are there. So you can write 10 to the power of 9 miles. 3.6701 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, next, 12 billion years. Billion means 9 zeros will be there here. Okay. So now after putting point here, 1.2 into here, 10 digits are there. So 10 to the power of 10. 1.2 into 10 to the power of 10 years. So this is 12 billion years. Okay. So next problem. This is also how to write in a standard form only. So here, after the first digit, put a point here, 3 point. So remaining all are significant digits only. No zeros are there. You have to take all the numbers. So 3.35748 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there after putting the point. So 10 to the power of 6. Next here, 9.2284 into here 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 to the power of 10 you have to write. 9.2284 up to here you have to take. Now after putting the point, how many digits are there? Count here 10. So 10 to the power of 10. Here also 7. Here 7 point. You have to put a point here. I forgot here. So 7.777 into here 12 digits are there up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10 to the power of 12. Here 2.435784 up to here you have to take. After the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power of 9. Here 1.99804 into, after putting the point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 to the power of 10. Okay. So for example, here in this problem, decimal point is given. So first you remove the decimal point. To remove that, I am writing 10 here in the denominator. Okay. Now write the numerator part as the standard form first. So 3.74859 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power of 5 by 10. So now you can cancel this 10 with 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 4 will be there here. So because it is 10 power 4 into 10, 10 gets cancelled. Now this remaining number is the standard form. Okay. So this is the standard form. Next, third problem. Write the following in usual form. Already they are given in the standard form. You have to write in the reverse form. So to write in the usual form, you have to remove the decimal point and write them as a fractional form. You already learned in the decimals and fractions and decimals chapter here. So 3.8, how can you write? 38 by 10 into 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of 4, I am writing it as 10 cube into 10. I am taking out one 10 outside and 10 gets cancelled here. You will write 38 into 10 cube. 10 cube means 1000. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. 1000. So 38,000. Next. 0.7 into 10 to the power of 5, how can I write this? 7 by 10 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10. Splitting this as 10 power 4 into 10. 10 gets cancelled here. Yes, 7 into 10 power 4 means 7 into 10,000, which is 70,000. Okay, next. 9.875 into 10 to the power of 6. So remove this point. 9,875 by 1000 into 10 cube into 10,000. To cancel this 1000, I am splitting this as 10 cube into 10 cube. Okay, 10 cube means 1000. 1000 gets cancelled here. Here, this you get. How much here? 98,75,000. So 4.3 into 10 to the power of 7 means 43 by 10 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10. I am splitting it like this to cancel 10 here. Okay, now 43 into 10 power 6 is 43 millions you will get. Okay, next. 1.1111, how can I write this? 11,111 by 10,000 into this 10 power 4, you can write 10,000. So 10,000 gets cancelled. You can write 11,100. Okay. Next, here also remove the point, write cancel this 1 lakh. You get 27 lakhs 6,000. 27 lakhs 659. Okay. Sorry, 2 lakhs 70,000 659 you get. Okay. So this is the answer. So up to here, this chapter is over. These are the overall quiz problems. You can solve this. Okay. So up to here, this chapter is over. Good day to all of you. All of you listen and write their notes perfectly. Okay. Good day to all of you.